Hey everyone! Welcome back. Are your mornings filled with energy or exhaustion? For ages, I overlooked how breakfast choices impacted my mood and energy. Everything changed with these 10 healthy breakfasts that transformed my life. They helped me stay fit, focused, and saved time in the mornings. If you skip breakfast or eat junk, this video is for you. Let's jump in. 1. Overnight oats. Game changer. Overnight oats. Once I prepped oats overnight, my mornings improved. Creamy, fiber-rich, and no cooking. Just mix rolled oats, almond milk, chia seeds, honey, and favorite toppings. In the morning, it's a healthy dessert. 2. Veggie stuffed omelette. Next is a veggie stuffed omelette. Not your usual oily version, loaded with spinach, mushrooms, and onions in fluffy eggs. It's protein-rich, satisfying, and only takes 10 minutes. 3. Smoothie bowls. Number 3 is smoothie bowls. I found these during a fitness challenge, and they're a game changer. It's thicker than a smoothie, decorated with fruits and nuts. Try frozen banana, spinach, peanut butter, protein powder, almond milk, topped with granola. 4. Avocado toast with a twist. Avocado toast gets a twist. Add chili flakes, lemon juice, and a poached egg. Healthy fats, fiber, and protein create the perfect combo. 5. Banana pancakes. Pancakes but guilt-free. 2 ripe bananas, 2 eggs, and cinnamon blended and cooked. These are naturally sweet, gluten-free, and easy. 6. Chia pudding. Let's talk chia seeds. Chia pudding with coconut milk, vanilla, and honey is creamy and thick. Top with mango or kiwi for heaven on a plate. 7. Idli with sambar and chutney. Traditional idli with sambar is a staple. Low in fat, delicious, easy to digest, with lentils adding fiber and protein. 8. Peanut butter banana toast. This was my go-to during busy days. Whole grain toast, peanut butter, banana, and seeds take just 3 minutes. 9. Upma with vegetables. Upma shines with added ghee, mustard seeds, and vegetables for a wholesome breakfast. 10. Green protein smoothie. Spinach, banana, almond milk, protein powder, chia seeds, and cocoa make this powerful. Bonus. Morning routine tips. 1. Hydrate first. Drink water before breakfast. 2. No screens while eating. Focus on your food. 3. Prep the night before. Overnight oats, chopped fruits, and boiled eggs help. These 10 healthy breakfasts transformed my life. Healthier breakfasts made me happier and more productive. You don't need a chef's kitchen, just a few ingredients and consistency. Which will you try first? Comment below. If you need full recipes, just ask. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for weekly tips. Share this with someone skipping breakfast. Thanks for watching. Here's to better mornings, one bite at a time. Stay healthy and inspired. See you next time.